Hello everyone, this is Manu Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor, currently working in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. We have already covered the third content of the chapter 5 of checkout. Objective is to know what is understay to understand late checkout and charges. In the previous session, I explained what do you mean by express checkout, and in this session we are going to cover to know what is understay, then to understand late checkout and charges. See, hotel guest who checks out before this scheduled date is called understay. An understay is a hotel guest that leaves the hotel prior to the date that they had originally indicated. Understays are therefore lost revenues for the hotel, which may be unable to sell the rooms to another guest to reoccupy the anticipated revenue, recoup the anticipated revenue. See, there are so many guests who can go for understay as and when they require, as per their emergency. You never know that which guest would like to go for understay. If one of the guests suddenly got a call from the company, or he has to go early, or maybe there is an emergency in his family, or maybe he has to attend any meetings or seminar urgently. So there are any number of reasons when the people will go for understay. But this process makes an impact on the sale of the hotel, because when the guests are going for understay, it means we are going to lose the revenue for the remaining days uh, which had been booked by the guest, right? So and front office is also not able to sell those many guest rooms to another guest, because uh, we already booked the room for a particular guest from this date to this date, and the guest is going to departure before that. So it's really impossible to sell that rooms to another guest suddenly or quickly. It takes again too much time to sell those many guest rooms. So I can say that it is one of the loss for the hotel if the guest is going for understay. Now we are moving towards the second content, that is called late checkouts and charges. See, there are any number of guests who can go for late checkouts due to any emergency, or suddenly there would be any kind of flight delay, or there is any a new plan which has been made by the guest. So the other reasons where normally guests can go for late checkouts and late charges. Now, late checkouts are those guests who had not vacated the room even after the hotel's normal checkout time. There are any number of guests who knows that the checkout time is 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock as per the hotel policy, and they are not leaving the hotel at the checkout time. They are going after 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. So obviously it will be called as a late checkout. And whatever the policy has been adopted by the hotel to pay for the late checkout, then guest has to pay the charges to the hotel. It depends on the policy of the hotel whether the hotel will go for extra charges for a particular guest or not. Maybe sometimes the guest can take full charges for a day, even though it will be 2 hours or 3 hours, or maybe some of the hotel can go for 50% charges of a days, or sometimes the hotel can charge on hourly basis. So you can see the example that 12 o'clock hours checkout time. It is depends upon the management policy that the checkout request will be accommodated at no charge, or all late checkouts will be charged with an additional late checkout fees. Like I have mentioned, there are any number of hotels who can take the charges if the guest is going for late checkout, and some hotels can also take full charges of the guest rooms. Or it may also possible that hotel will not take a single pay rupee from the guest, because he or she is their regular guest, and they are giving a lot of business to the hotel. So they might give it free, or they will give some concession to some of the guests who are giving repeat business to the hotel. So this is called late checkout. So late checkout takes place due to any kind of emergency, or any work suddenly came to the guest, and any meeting has been scheduled, or he or she has to attend any meeting suddenly, or there will be any kind of flight delay. So these are the reasons could be to go for late checkouts and charges. So this was all about late checkout and charges. Now we are moving towards the revision section. What is understay? I believe that you already got the answer for this question. Understay is nothing but what when the guest is going to depart before the due date of checkout uh, by any kind of reason. Second is what is the late checkout and charges. We already discussed this also. Now we're moving towards the quiz on understay, late checkouts and charges. I will put up the link of the quiz in my YouTube channel in the comments box. You can appear for the quiz and you can see the square online. These are the books which I have referred to make the PPT. You can use these books. These are the websites. And finally, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe.